Hi, I'm Dr. Kenning Poon, and I am in the biology department's 3D printing lab.
When I was at Cold Spring Harbor as a postdoc, I was walking around the different buildings, and I was seeing artistic pictures of cells, and I was like, oh, this is very interesting. So maybe this is a fun way to expose the students.
When we started with the 3D printed models, when we started presenting them in class, the class was very engaged with the activities. They all became very animated and started interacting with each other. They started talking to each other about ideas.
So in Bio 1, we get the students to pick up already existing 3D models and then print them and then present about these things. And then in Bio 2, we want them to design their own project, their own molecules or their own structures, and then present them as well.
Looking forward, we want to embed these activities permanently into the curriculum for transformative change in our department and students graduating from our college.